Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with day 17 of the Advent calendar. Day 17. Can you believe it? I can't. Now this is the door that came open because this was not packaged at all in shipping. It just came to me as is. So the guy who delivered it must have accidentally pushed this open just a little wee bit. And now we can finally see what is in day 17. And let's tilt it forward and it will kind of come out a little bit. And now I can pull it out. And it is Santa in an airplane. So we have Santa in an air. Oh, no, not Santa. Not Santa. This is a snowman in a Santa hat in an airplane. Look at his little nose and his little cold eyes. Oh, that's really cute. Super cute. I really like this one. What do you guys think? Day 17, Santa in an airplane. Vroom. All right, so while he's flying off with the magic of the internet, we're going to come back and work on this together. And then at the end, I'll come back and we'll talk about what it looks like done. So I'll play some music for you. I hope you like it. All right, guys, so here we have it. Our little airplane snowman. Super cute, and let's remember to pull off the film. So glad I know this is possible. And look at the difference. Look how nice and shiny that is. And now, it's stuck on my fingers. And now it lets the light in, and look how sparkly these are. So much better. This is super, super cute, you guys. I really love this a lot. I think he's darling. I like snowmen. I like planes. This is cute. So you'll notice I'm not putting the key rings on, and that's because a lot of these are going on the Christmas tree, and they still have to be sealed. I really like that the back looks so good once that film is peeled off, because even if they accidentally turn around, they'll still look cute. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a growing channel. Thank you so much for your support. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and Merry Christmas. Bye guys.